Good morning children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. In the previous class, we have completed our EVS first lesson, Our Wonderful Body. So, all the lesson we have discussed in the previous class. Today, let us complete the question answers part. So, here we have, all of you open your textbooks, page number 165. Page number 165, here we have the question answers in our textbook. So all of you open your notebooks also ma. This question answers you have to enter in your notebooks. Take your pencils and eraser. So carefully all of you write neatly in your notebooks. So this question answers part. So first question answers, the question already is there in the textbook. So here I have written the answers. You can note down the answers clearly in your notebook. Let us start the first question. So, write the names of some body parts that we cannot see. So, what are the some of the body parts that we cannot see? So, in the lesson already we have discussed about that. So, in our body, there are some of the parts that we cannot see. So, some external parts and some internal parts we have. So, external parts we have already discussed. So, the internal parts, what are the internal parts that we cannot see? Yes, that is the brain. So, the head is the topmost part of our body. So, inside our head, what we have? Yes, the brain. So, first here we have the brain. After that comes to the below the portion of the head, below the head. So, here we have the chest. So, in the chest, what are the two parts we have? Two important parts we have in our chest. What are the two parts? Yes, the lungs and the heart. So, the lungs and heart both are lies between both lies in the chest. Now come to the chest, below the chest portion, another part is the stomach. So these are the four parts that are inside in our body that we cannot see these parts. So here is the answer. The brain, heart, lungs and stomach are the names of some body parts that we cannot see. So, here again one more time we will repeat Nana. THE, the, BRAIN, brain. All of you begin the first letter with a capital and all these you can write in the small letters only now. So, first letter will start with a capital T. THE, the, BRAIN, brain. HEART, heart, the brain, heart. LUNGS, lungs. and STOMACH, stomach. STOMACH, stomach. ARER, THE, the, are the, NAMES, names. OF of, SOME, some. BODY, body. PARTS, parts. THAT, third. WE, can, NOT, not, cannot, SEEC. So, these are the four important parts in our body that we cannot see. The brain, heart, lungs and stomach are the names of some body parts that we cannot see. So, we have completed our first question. Let us go to the second question. The second question is, what do the lungs do? So, what is the use of the lungs in our body? Yes, the lungs help us to breathe. So, when we are taking the in air inside our body, so the lungs will fill up with air when we breathe in. So, the lungs help us to breathe in breathing. So, here is the answer. The second one answer is, the lungs help us to breathe. THE, the, LUNGS, lungs. HELP, help. USS, help us. TO2, BREATHE, breathe. BREATHE, breathe. So this is the second question. The lungs help us to breathe. Let us go. How can we make our bones and muscles strong? How could we make our bones and muscles strong? Yes, we can make our bones and muscles strong by eating healthy food. So always you must eat the healthy food and exercising regularly. Regularly morning you have to do the exercise. So here we have the answer. W-E-V. First letter you begin with a capital mark. W-E-V. C-A-N can. M-A-K-E make. O-U-R our. B-O-N-E-S bones. We can make our bones. A-N-D and. M-U-S-C-L-E-S muscles. Bones and muscles. S-T-R-O-N-G strong. B-Y by E-A-T-I-N-G eating. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y healthy. F-O-O-D food. Healthy food. A-N-D and E-X-E-R-C-I-S-I-N-G exercising regularly. R-E-G-U-L-A-R-L-Y regularly. So by eating healthy food and exercising regularly, we can make our bones and muscles strong. So children, now the fourth question. The fourth question is, what is posture? So what is the posture? A posture is the position in which we sit, we stand and or walk. So here we can see the picture, see. So whenever our posture is not incorrect, so the body also it won't be straight. So the posture will be like this leaning. So leaning position you should not do. So a posture only it will give the correct proper. The bones and muscles will give the proper shape and support to our body. So the posture is also very important. So a posture is the position how we will stand, we will sit or walk. We have to sit when we are sitting or standing, when we are walking, we must sit straight. We must sit straight, we must stand, and when we are walking also, we must walk properly. So a correct position, a posture is the position in which we sit, stand and walk. So the answer also, this is a posture. So first begin with a capital letter. A posture is the position in which we sit, we stand and walk. So first you start from here now. Capital A, P-O-S-T-U-R-E, posture. A posture, I-S is, T-H-E the, a posture is the, P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N, position. A posture is the position in, I am in, W-H-I-C-H, which, in which, W-E-V-S-I-T, sit, S-T-A-N-D, stand, A-N-D and W-A-L-K, walk. A posture is the position in which we sit, we stand and walk. So up to here we have completed all our 4 questions. So everybody write neatly, enter in your notebooks and practice these 4 questions properly. You must practice all these 4 questions in your notebooks. So do you know, let me tell one interesting thing about you, about our body. So do you know what is the instrument which the doctor uses to check the heartbeat of a person? Yes, that is called as a stethoscope. And one more thing. Do you know in our body part, in our body, here we have which body organ, which body part does not have any bones. So that is the tongue. So in our whole body, tongue is the only part that does not have any bones. See, this is very interesting thing. There are no bones in our tongue. So for that only we can speak. So the tongue it we use to move in the mouth when we are speaking, when we are talking. So it will turn also. The tongue also it can turn it like this. So any so if bones are there means we can't do like that. So like this our hand means only up to here only we can shake. Why? Because in our hand we have some bones, but in our tongue we don't have the bones. Yes, this is the only organ in our body does not have the bones. So here we have think and answer. One small question you have to think. So what helps a weightlifter to lift the weights? So a weightlifter always used to weight the lifts. So what helps us to him to weight the lift? Yes, he always do the exercises also. So what help us? Bones and muscles. So his bones and muscles, so always they used to lift more weights. Heavy weights they used to lift with their hands. So their bones and muscles will help them to lift the weights. So all of you children, have you understood the question answers? All of you practice those questions. Read Nana, all of you read the questions and read and write. So I hope all of you understood the first lesson, Our Wonderful Body, the grammar part and the question answers, everything. So all of you, thank you children. Practice all of you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.